Another thing you need to do this time of year is winterize the RV. So we're just gonna put some antifreeze, RV antifreeze, into the RV. So I did blow the lines out with an air compressor. Make sure you keep that PSI below like 65, like maybe even 60, 50. You don't want to reaching it up 120 PSI blowing through your air lines. That'll pop something. So we picked up some RV antifreeze. You can pick this up at any hardware store, probably even online on Amazon, Walmart, that type of thing, auto part shop. So we're gonna go underneath, and there's usually a valve that you can turn on the pump. That'll suck it through all the lines. So let's check it out. There we go there. So we can see the pump. Here's our line. So, and there's a T valve there that we're gonna turn. So we're gonna turn that, put this inside, and then turn on the pump. Okay, this says RV home plumbing antifreeze. Protect water systems up to negative 50 Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but cold. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put that guy in there. We're gonna come back here. Okay. That one's off. All right. Now we're gonna hit the pump switch over yonder. At this point, we're gonna go water pump on. There, you can see that sucking already through. Right there. We got foam coming out there. So we'll shut that one off. Come over here. Shut that off for now. Okay, we got foam coming out there on the cold. And there. Shut that off. So really, one is probably all I needed. It's really just that easy. So get out there and do your RV too. So I bought 2 jugs, but one did it just fine. So 1 gallon jug or 4 liters in Canada. All right, now we're gonna put the cover on, and we are gonna put the dehumidifier up and running. So I'll show you that system there. So here we've got our dehumidifier. I just picked this up off of Amazon. There's lots to choose from. I like this one because it's so compact. So when you're traveling, I take this, it comes out, and that just folds right down and in. So there's the unit all folded up. Perfect for traveling. It came with wheels, but I didn't put it on it so that when I'm driving down the road, we can pack it like that. And when we get to the campsite, or when we're gonna store it, like today, we just pull this up. Look at that, it has another handle on there. Okay, so there's a little screen right there that just goes forward, sits on top of there. We're up and running. And bingo was his name. Oh. Okay, that's up and running. We're just gonna put this on. That says 40. It goes as low as 35, and it goes all the way up. But I'm gonna leave it on 40. This will just turn on if it feels the need. Perfect. So I highly recommend for storing your RV. You can use Dry Z, sure. I've used that in the past, but an electric dehumidifier is really the way to go. But if you're on a storage lot, hey, chuck some Dry Z's all over that camper. The thing I like about using a dehumidifier, if you have power, is it's moving air through here, and it really does suck out a lot of moisture. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hey, another thing I like to do before I winterize my RV is pop the batteries out, put them in your garage, and throw a trickle charge on them. That'll really extend the life of them. So let's do it. Hey, when you're taking this apart, you could also label these or snap a photo, either or, so you know how to put it back. Okay, that's one. That's 2. Oh. All right, there you have it. The batteries are out. We'll put that trickle charge on and we'll be good to go in the springtime. Hey, another thing I like to do before I put the RV away for the winter is give it a good scrub with some wash and wax. Both of these products are amazing. This guy's from Costco. This one you can pick up online or at any of your hardware stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. I did this one recently and I really liked it, and I have used this one in the past and it's great as well. It puts on a really good finish. It looks like you just spent hours waxing it, but no, you just added this to the water, gave it a scrub with your scrub brush. One of these guys, just in a 5-gallon bucket of water, put a good sized dollop in there, give that thing a rinse. Check this out. Look how pristine that looks. You have to say, that looks pretty amazing for a 2014, and we're in 2024, so this is 10 years old. That wash and wax, it's an amazing product. So check it out in the link below.